Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 version 25H2 not installing with error code 0x80070306. First, run PowerShell commands. Type PowerShell in Windows Search, right-click, and run as administrator. Paste each command one by one and press enter. Ignore any errors. After running all commands, restart your PC. Next, start required services. Type services in search and open it. Find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Open each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start if available, then OK. Right-click each service and click Restart. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry. If you see Pause Updates, pause it, then click Resume Updates and check again. Still not working? Run Command Prompt as administrator. Execute SFC and DISM scan commands one by one. Wait for each scan to reach 100%, then restart your PC. Next, use Windows 11 Installation Assistant, download it from the official Microsoft site, run the tool, and install the update if available. Close all third-party apps and services. Temporarily disable antivirus and uninstall any anti-cheat programs like Vanguard if installed. Restart your PC and try updating again. Now go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, Fix problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall. This keeps your files and apps. If the issue persists, use Media Creation Tool, download it, create an ISO, mount it, and run setup. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected, then install. After installation, restart your PC and check for updates. One of these methods should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Genie.